For your children's book story that you will do, you are going to have to link each and every one of your slides to another slide. You're going to have some different options that the kids are going to get to choose. So I'm going to show you how to link. It may say hyperlink, but it is also called an action. The new PowerPoint calls it an action. So we'll try to see what the difference between the two is. So to start off, we have to have something on here that tells us that we're going to be linking to another page. So I'm going to go to Insert on my ribbon. I'm going to do Text Box, and I'm going to put something at the bottom right of the page that says Next Slide. You can make it look fancy if you want, but for now, I'm just going to put this and make sure that I am clicked on the box so that it looks like this. There's no marching ants around it, which means that it's editable. Okay, so I am on this. I'm clicked on it. I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to click on Action. Action is going to help you go from one slide to the next, where a hyperlink is going to take you from this PowerPoint to something on the internet. So I'm going to click on Action because it's within our PowerPoint. Then I'm going to click on Hyperlink to, and then I'm going to click on this drop down. You can just do next slide if that is the one that you're going to, but you will have to also go to different slides that aren't right next to each other. So you can just go to slide, and then you can click on which one of these you would like it to go to. For this one, I'm just going to go to directions because that is the next slide that I would like for it to go to. I'm going to hit OK and OK again. Now, for your children's book story, you are going to have to give the students at least 3 options throughout your story. So for here, we're just going to kind of make something up. I'm going to go to Insert, Text Box. I'm going to say that the cars are going to be able to go to the beach. Change that to white so you guys can see it. So there's the first option, and then I'm going to put in another option. So they can either go to the beach, or I'm going to say scuba diving, which is kind of the same place, but whatever. Okay, so we have our 2 different options here. So we are going to link this one to number 5, and then this one right here, the scuba diving, is going to be to 6. So first I'm going to click on the beach one, go to Insert, Action, since it's within the PowerPoint, go to Hyperlink to, click on the drop down, go to Slide, and it needs to be number 5 because there's our little beach right there. Hit OK and OK again. And now we're going to click on this one over here, and we're going to put an action to slide number 6. Okay, so now whenever I go to my slideshow and I do from current slide, when I go and click on this, then it's going to take me straight to this instead of the slide that was actually the next one, which was the parachutes. You can also do this on objects. So if you wanted to put an action on this instead of words, you can do that. You just click on your object, go to Insert, Action, Hyperlink to, just like you would with text. So you can either do it for text or a picture.